Hey guys, welcome back to PalettePlay Studios. The second part of our painting is creating the ocean. The ocean, let's make those waves shimmer under the sunlight. What you'll need colors is ultramarine blue, dark blue, white and a pinch of green. If you want, you can use a little black also here. Tools we will be using is a medium flat brush and a linear or a detail brush for the waves. Okay, now we are going to start at the horizon line. Now remember, the horizon line is the farthest point of the ocean that you can see, right? So it is going to be darker in color, and moving towards your sandy pathway, you will see waves here. You will put a white on the line near the sandy pathway because that would be nearer to you. So you see a clear water here, and the distant water is in a darker shade. So first again we have to use many coats here. First one is going to be watery, the second coat and third coat, and after the third coat I think you will get your color there. And as we are going to paint, we are going to decide the tone of this ocean. With the linear brush, you're going to make the waves with the white color and a darker blue color. Ultramarine will also work in that. Now, using both white and darker blue shade, you are going to give a feel of ocean waves, that the water is in motion. Now again, according to your vision, you can change the shades of the water. You can, if you are making a sun in the sky, you can give your sunlight on the ocean. It will reflect and it will give a shimmer to the ocean. You can add those also to create waves. You can actually flick your brush in like different directions so that it gives a wave crests, so again, it all depends on your vision of the painting. As per my vision, I am standing a little far away from the shore, so I am not adding the green color to show the water near the shore. You can add little green to your blue, giving a hint of shallow water closer to the shore. Blend it with the darker blue below. You can use a liner brush to paint tiny waves, curved wavelets closer to the horizon for perspective. Okay, you can use white shade to give the closer that foamy look of the water that comes on the shore. You can do that also. Again, completely depends on your vision of the painting. Keep watching for part 3. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more content.